Namaskar, good evening. You're watching the special edition of the News Hour and I'm Swati Joshi. A day after Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath met a 12-year-old girl who was allegedly raped by two men in Ayodhya, the district administration is cracking the whip. The crackdown on the main accused in this case has begun. Bakery of accused Samajwadi Party leader Moid Khan has been demolished, with authorities saying it was illegally built on the pond land. Following Chief Minister's intervention, Assistant Food Commissioner Manik Chand Singh conducted a raid at Moid Khan's bakery. During the raid, samples of food products being made in the bakery were taken, and then eventually the bakery was first sealed. Now reports coming in of it being demolished, bulldozer action being taken. Remember, bakery owner Moid Khan and his employee Raju Khan were arrested from the Pura Kalangar area in connection with the case on the 30th of July.
कई टीमें बनी थी, उन लोगों ने सीमांकन किया। सीमांकन के बाद ये पाया गया कि जो सार्वजनिक तालाब है, सार्वजनिक रास्ता है, उस पर इन्होंने इंक्रोच करके अवैध बेकरी बनाई हुई है, प्लाटिंग किया हुआ है और एक मल्टी कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाया हुआ है। अवैध बेकरी में इनके द्वारा जो प्रोडक्ट बनाए जा रहे थे, उनकी भी हम लोग सैंपलिंग करवा के जांच के लिए भेजे हैं। प्राधिकरण और नगर पंचायत की टीम ने आज इसको डिमोलिशन करवाया है। नियमानुसार कानूनी प्रक्रिया का पालन करते हुए हम सब अपनी जमीन को या किसी निजी व्यक्ति की जमीन होगी, सबको हम खाली करवाएंगे।
अयोध्या में नाबालिग बच्ची के साथ रेप के आरोपी के घर पर बुलडोजर कार्रवाई हो रही है। आपको दिखाया किस तरीके से जो है वो बुलडोजर यहाँ चलाया जा रहा है और जो उसके अवैध कब्जे थे उस पर इलीगल इंक्रोचमेंट पर जो है यहाँ पर बुलडोजर चलाया जा रहा है, उसको बुलडोज किया जा रहा है। दरअसल कहा जा रहा था कि जिस तरीके से पीड़ित परिवार इस बात की मांग कर रहा था कि बुलडोजर के जरिए जो उनका अवैध निर्माण है उसको बुलडोज किया जाए, तो कल प्रशासन की टीम यहाँ पहुंची थी, बाकायदा इसको पैमाइश की गई और पता चला कि ये जो पूरा कंस्ट्रक्शन था, ये जो बेकरी थी वो इलीगल था। लिहाजा इस इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शंस पर जो है वो बुलडोजर चलाया गया है और ये बुलडोजर चलाकर इसे बुलडोज किया गया। तो पूरी जो प्रॉपर्टी है ये मोइद खान जो पूरे मामले में रेप का आरोपी है उसकी प्रॉपर्टी है, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी पर ये बुलडोजर चलाकर जो है इसे बुलडोज किया गया है।
Samajwadi Party slammed the bulldozer action and asked why bulldozer is not used against people associated with the BJP when their name comes up in different crimes, doesn't it?
समाजवादी पार्टी कभी भी चाहे वो बुलडोजर कहीं भी चले वो न्याय का प्रतीक नहीं हो सकता। बुलडोजर अकबर नगर भी चला था। बुलडोजर वहां नहीं चलता है जहां भारतीय जनता पार्टी से जुड़े लोग होते हैं। क्या कभी किसी की पैमाइश की गई जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी से जुड़ा हुआ है? भारतीय जनता पार्टी का आईटी सेल के जो सदस्य थे, जो बीएचयू के थे, क्या उनके घर की पैमाइश की गई? अभी बंथरा में एक घटना हो गई थी कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों के दबाव में मुकदमा नहीं लिखा जा रहा था हत्या का। समाजवादी पार्टी का प्रतिनिधि मंडल गया, समाजवादी पार्टी ने वहां पे जब प्रदर्शन किया, फिर मुकदमा लिखा जाता है, कार्रवाई होती। क्या किसी की पैमाइश थी? देखिए, जब घटना हो जाए फिर किसी के घर की पैमाइश की जाए तो सवाल उठते हैं।
Meanwhile, a case has been registered against the president of Badarsa Nagar Panchayat and two Samajwadi Party functionaries for allegedly threatening the family of the rape victim to settle the case. Ram Sevak Das, a resident of Bharat Kund Pipra, registered the case. He alleged that Mohammad Rashid, Samajwadi Party leader Jai Singh Rana, and another person reached the district women's hospital and pressurized the family of the victim to settle the case. Politics has snowballed in the case, with the BJP upping the ante against the Samajwadi Party. A BJP delegation led by Rajya Sabha MP Baburam Nishad will be visiting Ayodhya tomorrow. The delegation will meet victim's family and submit a report of the entire case to the party leadership. Before BJP delegation's visit, Nishad party chief and UP minister Sanjay Nishad met with the victim in the hospital today. Slamming Samajwadi Party, he said their PDA pitch is false, it's hollow, and the party has taken no action against the Samajwadi Party leader.
अखिलेश का पीडीए आज यहाँ झूठा है और हम निषाद समुदाय का नेतृत्व करते हैं। निषाद अति पिछड़ा है और अनुसूचित भी है। ऐसे में महिला अबला भी है और महिला हमारे यहाँ पूजनीय है, उसके साथ अत्याचार हो और पीडीए का नारा देने वाले और अयोध्या में जीत का पीठ थपथपाने वाले, लगता है कि इन अपराधियों के सहारे उनकी जीत हुई है। अपराधियों को बचाने के लिए आज सपा और कांग्रेस जो पीडीए का नारा देने वाली है उनका मुंह नहीं खुल रहा है। अपराधी को बचा रहे हैं, न पार्टी से निकाल रहे हैं, न तो उसके खिलाफ कोई बयान दे रहे हैं।
As the BJP stepped up the attack, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav took to Twitter to say that DNA test of accused should be done and punishment should be given as per law. But also went on to add that if the allegations are proven to be false, the government officials involved shouldn't be spared either. Akhilesh did not specifically mention which case he was referring to and what added to the confusion, what the multiple edits he made to the social media post were. He first posted it without referring to any case, then edited it to add a snapshot of a news report on an incident which happened in Jaunpur. Minutes later, Akhilesh removed the Jaunpur incident snapshot from his tweet. Samajwadi Party MP from Faizabad, Lok Sabha constituency under which Ayodhya falls, Avadhesh Prasad, however, backed Akhilesh and said DNA test should be conducted so that innocents are not framed. On his pictures with main accused, Mohit Khan doing the round on the internet, the Samajwadi Party legislator said BJP shouldn't play politics on the pictures as thousands of people come to him and click selfies.
इस दिशा में पुलिस को भी चाहिए किसी भी के दबाव में ना करके दूध का दूध पानी का पानी अलग करें, जो भी दोषी है उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाए, इनोसेंट को फंसाया न जाए और इसको और अच्छा आने के लिए डीएनए टेस्ट लगा लिया जाए। आपने कहा कि फोटो का सवाल है जी। देखिए, राजनीति जो करते हैं हिंदुस्तान में कोई ऐसा बड़ा से बड़ा नेता नहीं बचेगा जिसका कोई फोटो ना। हम राजनीति करते हैं, चुनाव लड़ते हैं, ठीक है। चुनाव के दरमियान में कम से कम लाखों लोगों ने मेरा फोटो लिया जी। चुनाव जीतने के बाद मेरे घर पर 50,000 की भीड़ आई। कोई महाराष्ट्र से आ रहा है, कोई कहां से आ रहा है, समझ गए, और फोटो खिंचाते हैं।
BJP, however, hit back at Samajwadi Party's DNA test demand with party spokesperson Rakesh Tripathi calling Akhilesh's remarks insensitive. Taking to X, he said asking for DNA test in every case of rape and posting questions to the victim is like rubbing salt on her wounds. Tripathi added that Akhilesh's comments have exposed the DNA of Samajwadi Party. Referring to Mulayam Singh Yadav's old boys make mistake comment, Tripathi said that mistakes become very small if the accused belongs to a particular community and is a party functionary as well. You also have a reaction from Mayawati, BSP chief, on social media where she slammed Samajwadi Party asking how many DNA tests did it conduct against such accused when it was in power in Uttar Pradesh. Let's open this up and let's go across to our guests. We are joined by Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have Rashmi Samant, activist, Lokesh Jindal, political analyst, and Tariq Khan, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Good evening to all of you. Tariq Khan, let me begin with you and let's ask you a direct question. The question that Mayawati is posing. BJP, BSP all hitting out at the Samajwadi Party saying your PDA plank is nothing but a vote bank policy. It has failed today. Mayawati is asking how many times did the Samajwadi Party conduct such tests when it was in power in Uttar Pradesh? How do you respond to these questions?
How many times opposition or BJP or BSP demanded those things? How many times? Remind me any time a BJP spokesperson or anybody on this panel. Just remind me. How many times? Any leaders or anybody have demanded these type of thing, and it's just a demand. Ultimate decision is of government or the judiciary. We are not taking any type of decision. It's just a demand to have a better transparency. You have demolished that place where might be gang rape happened. Now, what evidence we have been left with? You have BJP government demolished that place. And suppose gang rape happened on that place. So if that place would remain exactly intact as it was, we should have lots of evidence against.
Okay, but if the fear is that the officials were wrong, if the fear is that somebody is being framed, and that's the logic that the Samajwadi Party is using. Since nobody demanded that, the Samajwadi Party never did a DNA test when it was in power in Uttar Pradesh. You waited for the opposition to make a demand like that. Tariq Khan, if that's something that you believe in, why did the Samajwadi Party not take a similar action during previous incidents?
Tell me the incident. Tell me in which incidents.
Okay, so no rape cases were ever reported when Samajwadi Party was in power.
Listen. There is a difference. Why DNA has been asked? Because that very girl, the small girl, is 2 months pregnant. That is the reason. There is a difference between two. That is the reason our national leader asked for a DNA test. And we are saying that if you find guilty anybody who is culprit, punish them as hard as you could. But we are saying to have a better transparency and to know Like what has happened?
Kaushal
You
Mishra.
shouldn't demolish the place and have a
Kaushal
DNA
Mishra,
test.
you've demolished the evidence. Respond, please.
Mr. Tariq Khan as well as his Samajwadi President Akhilesh ji doesn't know what the DNA test is. If it is a gang rape case, which is done 2 months back, because that victim is suffering from their offenses for a long time, and the DNA test should be done immediately within 48 hours. And if she is pregnant, there will be DNA of only one accused. It's not possible that multiple DNA can be found in the gang rape case. So at least before telling on the national media, at least read about the DNA test, read about the gang rape, read about the forensic, then you test the science. You people are of the same government who says लड़के हैं लड़कों से गलती हो जाती है और ये यूपी के 2 लड़के हैं इनसे गलती होती रहती है और if those boys are from MY factor then nobody is accused.
Okay.
In this case you will find the PDA is getting weaker and weaker on MY factor because MY factor gives them the vote bank, 20% vote bank, and that is why whole Samajwadi Party is standing behind the accused and his MP, their MP is also standing behind the accused.
Okay, you're giving a long road to this individual
and
because this individual is associated to your party. That's the allegation, plain and simple. Tariq Khan, respond.
No, this is not he's not a BJP spokesperson. He's a forensic expert. Can I have what is the full form of DNA? Please tell me. We don't know. We are illiterate. I belongs to a village. Even I didn't attended any type of school. So I'm an illiterate person. Just train us. What is DNA? Tell me. Don't see here and there. What is DNA? Tell me. I don't know.
What you want?
I'm illiterate.
What you want to know? Yes, you are.
What is the full form? Simple. I don't know the full form.
You are actually illiterate. You don't know when the DNA test should be done, and your leader doesn't know what is DNA test, when it should be done. Yes, I am a doctor, I know what is DNA test, when it should be done, where it should be done, and in the gang rape case, the lady who is 2 months pregnant, obviously if you do the DNA test, only one DNA test will become positive, not the whole.
Okay, one second.
group will come.
1 second. Tariq Khan, 1 second. Respond to the allegation that this cover fire is being given because the individual is associated to the Samajwadi Party, and the question is, why didn't Samajwadi Party act against this person?
No, this the great expert says that we don't know anything about DNA. That's why I asked this thing. And all the panelists should have accepted that we don't know even the full form of DNA. Even
Arey Baba, you want to know
Now he is responding. He is responding. What is the point that you're trying to make?
Doctor, if you want, I know.
Point is very simple. He says that our leader and me, he's saying that we don't know anything about DNA. I just asked, as you are saying that we don't know anything.
You don't know anything.
Okay,
You are not responding to the question that I'm asking you, Tariq Khan ji. Enough with the definition of DNA and hiding behind that as an excuse. Why was no action taken against this individual as the Samajwadi Party?
Listen, we had conducted a press conference in Faizabad. Okay, our leader, our supreme leader Akhilesh ji has taken this incidents very seriously, and you will see strict action within the party with the people.
It hasn't happened.
If the person,
the whole point is that it hasn't happened. It hasn't happened so far. That's the question that everybody is asking. All right. I believe we also have some breaking inputs coming in. So on one hand, you have Akhilesh Yadav who says DNA test should be done. On the other hand, you have Akhilesh's uncle who's brazening it out and putting the blame, or rather calling it a conspiracy, pinning it to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Shivpal Yadav is linking it to BJP. Says this is a BJP conspiracy. BJP can organize more such incidents. After the DNA cover fire, now the BJP staged excuses coming to fore. Let me play out this reaction before I go across to other guests.
लेकिन ये तो इस तरह की घटनाएं और भी करा सकते हैं। जहाँ जहाँ चुनाव हैं इस तरह की घटना करा सकते हैं। ये हारे हुए लोग हैं तो वही नहीं इनके मन में जो चीज है तो उसकी वजह से इसी तरीके से टूल दे रहे हैं। तो हम तो अपने समाजवादी पार्टी के लोगों से भी कहेंगे कि सावधान रहें, जहाँ जहाँ उपचुनाव हो रहे हैं वहाँ पर भी सावधान रहें। इस तरीके की घटना करा करके ये कार्रवाई करेंगे उपचुनाव में।
So from DNA test demand to this is BJP's conspiracy, Rashmi Samant, aren't they trivializing this?
Absolutely, absolutely, Swati. I think when criminals are absolutely powerful and victims are weak, we often see that there is no justice, irrespective of political affiliations. And I think it's heartening to see that the Yogi Adityanath government is actually taking bold steps against the accused. And here we are talking about Samajwadi Party, Swati. You shouldn't be, surprised that they're trivializing the crime, because this is a party where the founding father of its party, Shri Mulayam Yadav ji, once said, "Ladke hain, ladkon se galti ho jati hai," that boys will be boys. This was the excuse that he used to, victim shame rape victims. This is what he did, and he's one of the founding fathers of the party. So if they have this kind of philosophy about rape victims, then you can only imagine that their successors and the current gen politicians would be trivializing and victim shaming the victims just because they come from weak backgrounds. And instead of suspending this guy who's accused from the party, instead of saying that they have no relations with him, they're just making it worse by defending him and, coming up with fake theories like it is somebody's conspiracy. Right now, what all political parties need to do, if they have any shred of humanity left in them, is to all gather around the victim and say that this incident shouldn't have happened and show solidarity. But here you see the ruling government trying to show solidarity. And
but Rashmi, Tariq Anwar and others, and in fact the leader of the party is saying that, yes, do take stringent action against the accused, but if the DNA test fails, then take action against the official. So this but that is being added is in fact putting out a big question, isn't it?
Well, I think, Swati, since the rape happened over 2 months ago, because the victim is now 2 months pregnant, what kind of forensic evidence do you think is available about a, gang rape incident? It is going to be very hard. So justice is going to be elusive until and unless, the government actually has the intent to persecute the accused. So I think, asking for making trivial excuses, I think that is not going to make the cut. They're going to have to look for other evidence to certify the fact that the victim and the accused were in the same location or that she was forcefully taken. That needs to be done. Right now, I think it's too late for a DNA test.
Okay. Let me also bring in Lokesh Jindal. Lokesh Jindal, so while the BJP is taking bulldozer action, you heard the reactions coming in from the panel. What else can you expect from the Samajwadi Party, and why are the INDI Netas silent?
We are concerned and worried for the state of affairs in Uttar Pradesh. Now, as per the NCPCR report, NCRB, Uttar Pradesh tops the national ranking for child abuse. In fact, every day there are 4 children who are abused in Uttar Pradesh. In 2023, the government came out with Operation Conviction, but it's a tremendous failure. I would say it's a pathetic condition of law and order in Uttar Pradesh. All these forms of bulldozer justice, all this form of politicization is not going to protect our children. It is important that law and order must be put into place. Stringent punishment, preventive measures must be taken. It must be made sure that there must be a fear of law amongst people in Uttar Pradesh. But this forms of rhetorics, politics associated with incidents, it is putting lives of our children in danger.
Absolutely.
So
since you are expressing concern, Lokesh Jindal, on the crime data, are you also not concerned about the political affiliations of the main accused?
Well, the law should take its due course. Stringent punishment must be accorded to the one who is guilty of such a heinous crime. But it is very important that the state officials must also be put to task. Now, this police inspector, he had delayed in filing the FIR, and whatever action was taken by the state administration was very late. it was important that such incidents, because POSCO Act was immediately brought into effect, immediately FIR should have been registered.
And what about
Action
the
should
long
have
rope
been
given by the
taken.
Samajwadi Party? What about no action being taken by the Samajwadi Party?
Well, Samajwadi Party is not legally obligated under the law to take any form of an action. It is the state administration which is required to do that.
Nobody is asking Samajwadi Party. Nobody is asking Samajwadi Party to put this individual behind bars. But you know what I mean when I say why isn't party taking action against this individual?
Put an individual behind bars?
That's what I'm saying. Nobody is expecting that to happen. That is not going to happen. So when one asks why isn't the political party taking action, you very well understand what kind of action I'm talking about, because that's exactly what the INDI bloc asks BJP to do.
When such an incident comes to light, it is the work of the police administration to immediately arrest the individual, put him behind bars.
So from now on, in case the name of a BJP neta comes up in any case of crime, the INDI bloc should be questioning the cops and not asking the BJP to take action against the neta.
The police has to do its job. What will the party do even if that person is thrown out of the party?
No disciplinary action
What
also.
else will the party
No
do?
disciplinary action also. Party cannot do anything. Kaushal Kant ji हाथ पे हाथ रख करके party बैठी रहेगी. Cops need to act. Also, Mr. Lokesh Jindal has presented some data. He's talking about the rise in crime under the Yogi government. Why didn't your administration act? Why didn't your police act on time? What is your government doing?
See, action on the police, the SHO as well as IO got suspended immediately as soon as the information come to the CMG. Next, the crime against women and POCSO Act. Please.
No, let him respond now, please. Lokesh ji, please, let's be fair. Let him respond.
Mr. Jindal talked about NCRB data. Please read below also, in which it is clearly written that crime against women and POCSO, Uttar Pradesh is top in country. Number one, the speedy trial in such a way that it is 3 times the national average. The national average is 25% and the Uttar Pradesh average against conviction against the crime against women is 72. It is 3 times against the national average and continuously rising from 2019 till date. So you must understand how seriously we are taking, and in our regime, लड़कों से गलती नहीं होगी. लड़कों को घर में घुस के मारा जाएगा और भागेंगे तो पुलिस की गोलियां भी पड़ेंगी और बुलडोजर का एक्शन भी होगा. गायत्री प्रजापति वाला हाल नहीं होने वाला है. Don't worry. The law will take its own course, and now the fear within those who are actually doing the offences,
but
those who are doing the crimes.
No, Kaushal Kant ji, can you still say that? Because crime is still happening. You're saying these things, these big claims कि अब डर रहेगा, अब घर में घुस के मारेंगे, और इतना डर है तो why is the crime still happening? Why the delay also in taking action? A question is put out the BJP and the administration as well.
Listen, there was a time in Uttar Pradesh when there is policy of one district, one mafia. It will take few more years to make it completely clean. Okay, and this all was prospered by this Samajwadi Party. For whom? Mayawati ji said, "Chad gundon ki chhati par, mohar lagegi hathi par." This was their slogan for the Samajwadi Party. So they are always siding the criminals. They are siding always the offensive side. They always
take a response from Tariq Khan. Take a response from Tariq Khan on this. Tariq Khan, take a response, please.
Try to understand means we can talk a lot about BJP peoples involved in crime and in Mafia Raj. I'll not say anything about it. I'll ask a technical question. I'll raise a point which is technically very sound. It's completely a matter of a medical expert to say or to comment on whether the DNA test could be carried out in future course, or it will not get any result if DNA test will be carried out. It's not us to comment on that. Even BJP spokesperson, I think he's MBBS and MD in means these type of things. So and even I don't know anything. So it's better to ask any medical expert. I'm just saying that if medical expert says that no, we cannot have evidences in form of DNA, because as if I know, DNA means that a child, the born child carries the parental inherent qualities will be carried out. This much I know. So
what are you talking about? Rashmi, please come in. What are you talking about?
I think the person here, the spokesperson, misses the point that it was a gang rape, that it was not a single person raping the child. So he needs to get to the details of it. So the paternity of the child is going to be associated with one of the rapists and not all the rapists. One child cannot have, multiple fathers. I think this much biology everybody can know because of common sense and doesn't need a degree to know that the child will only carry the paternity of one of the rapists. And this was a gang rape. So I think the person here really needs to read up the details. It seems that being spokesperson of Samajwadi Party commentating on such an important issue doesn't know the basics of the matter, and the fact that they don't know it shows how nonchalant they are about taking up this issue and ensuring that there is justice. And it is extremely shameful that on live TV, on a prime time show, we have to put up with this kind of nonsense where they're saying that the child of a gang rape will carry the paternity of the accused. It is only going to carry the paternity of one of the accused. That is what happens in a gang rape. Please get your facts straight. This is the reality of the case. Please read up.
Okay, Lokesh Jindal wants to come in.
Before you victim shame, before you come up with conspiracy theories, before you derail justice to an innocent girl. Here we are talking about somebody who comes from a very weak background. We're talking about a girl who's been, who's been scarred for life.
My only question is,
Rashmi, Lokesh Jindal wants to come in.
Serious they are about
My
justice
only question-
and about, women in their state. And he's laughing on TV about a gang rape case.
Can I
What does
comment,
it mean?
please?
I mean, this is so disrespectful. How dare you?
What is so funny, Tariq ji?
There is nothing funny. Means the lady.
Then why are you
is
laughing?
Staging. I'm not laughing. I'm just saying that if she knows. If she knows this, she's shouting, you can shout. Allow her to shout, I'll keep my mouth shut. Allow her to shout.
Cases was at 25% when
Keep
they were
on
in
shouting,
power.
keep on shouting, keep on shouting.
They wouldn't even
I'll
convict
not respond.
the
I'll
accused.
keep my mouth shut. It's all
And they
right.
laugh
You
on
could
TV.
shout
Listen,
out.
when will we win? This
Okay.
is what
Listen,
they do.
you're so smart.
Okay,
You know
Tariq.
You know a lot about DNA. You don't know the
Please
full form of
don't
DNA.
shout.
Tell me
After
what
you
is the full form of
laughing
DNA.
at a
Tell me.
case as serious as
Tell
this.
me. You're
It is
saying
not a
that
joke.
DNA will not. I'm saying that
Don't
a medical
shout
expert
after you
will
left on
that
national
what
TV
will
on
happen.
an
I don't
issue
know
as
anything
serious
about
as
DNA.
this. Have some shame.
Because you are laughing on the national TV on such a heinous crime, and you are laughing. So your mouth should be shut.
I'm not
Yes,
laughing
your
on
mouth
the
should be
crime.
shut. And
I'm
if
not
you don't know
laughing what
anything
the
about
lady
DNA,
said.
neither you don't know nor Akhilesh know, then you
I
should
have
not
just
tell
said-
anything about
I
the
have
DNA
just
test.
said
Please,
that it's a
please
medical,
keep
it's
your
a
mouth
medical
shut.
expert to comment on
Don't
these
try to
things.
hide
You
behind
don't
the
know
MI
anything,
factor.
so we
Just for
shouldn't
20%
comment on
vote bank, you are hiding behind
medical
that.
experts.
Just keep your mouth shut. I am a medical expert also.
Listen,
That is why I am
what-
telling you.
Why is the matter being trivialized? Why is the matter being trivialized? Why are such statements being made, Tariq Khanji? Is this only because this individual has political affiliations and that too with your party, and that's why you want to give him a long rope and all the benefit of doubt and using a technical aspect, in fact, to mislead?
It's nothing to mislead. Even someone who is a medical expert over here, he'll say that this cannot happen. I'll rightly say that yes, I agree with you. Nobody on this. The person, why he's speaking in between. He don't.
Okay, finish your point. And are you a doctor? You know everything about it. You're a forensic
I don't
expert,
know.
is it?
That's why I'm saying I
Then
don't.
why are you passing comments right from the word go against everyone else?
I'm just asking the full form of DNA. What is
Go
the
ahead,
full form of
Mr.
DNA?
Mishra. And how is that going to
Listen to me.
how is that going to
That will-
justify
that will make-
how is
that
that
will
going
make
to
clear that
justify how is that going to justify the fact that your party took no action against this individual and now under pressure you're saying soon we'll take action? Soon we'll take action.
It's
If you're
not
so
under
confident,
pressure.
if you're
It's
so
not under
confident and like
pressure.
Lokesh Jindal already
From
has
the
said,
very
what can a
beginning-
party do? Let it be.
No, my stand is something else. I'm saying that we'll take strict action. It's nothing like that.
When
The
will you
party
take this
will
strict
not do
action?
anything.
When will you
have
take
to
this
wait.
strict action?
I'm not saying
Should have
it's
already
responsibility.
happened. It should have already happened, and after that you could have you could have led by example, saying we immediately acted against this individual, even It's an allegation at this point of time. This is our party stand. Mr. Mishra, please go ahead.
I respond?
Just my request is, Mr. Tariq Khan, I don't want to introduce myself. I am here a spokesperson, but fortunately, I am a doctor also. I am a director to such a prestigious institute. I know what I am telling and what I am talking. Correct? So see how he is laughing heinously. See how he is laughing heinously. He doesn't know anything about the DNA. He doesn't, even his party leader doesn't know anything about the DNA, and he is coming here and talking about the DNA test. Such a shameful party, such a shameful leader. How dare you can say? How dare you can laugh? And you are hiding behind the DNA test. You want investigation. Investigation should be done, and you see all those who are behind this. Everybody will be behind the bar, and bulldozer is coming to them with the bullet train speed, with the double engine. Don't worry whether they belong to any political party. If they are criminal, they will be bulldozed with the double speed of bullet train, with the double engine Sarkar. So don't worry and try to understand. Still you are laughing. I don't know how shameful this party is. I don't know how shameful this party is. They don't have any shame. They are laughing on the
DNA.
All right. Let him.
What do you want to know about the DNA?
See from the mobile.
Congress party.
अरे क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं तारिक खान जी?
क्या कर रहे हैं?
क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
ये बता रहे हैं डायरेक्ट।
एक माइनर के साथ हुआ है, एक माइनर के साथ गैंगरेप हुआ है, उस पर आप इस तरह की बयानबाजी कर रहे हैं, इस तरह की बयानबाजी आप कर रहे हैं। एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पार्टी व्हाट एक्शन डिड यू टेक? एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पार्टी व्हाट एक्शन डिड यू टेक?
हमने कतई मना नहीं किया कि हमें,
क्या कतई मना नहीं किया? व्हाट एक्शन डिड योर पार्टी टेक?
हम इसका इंतजार नहीं लेंगे।
व्हाट एक्शन डिड योर पार्टी टेक अगेंस्ट दिस इंडिविजुअल?
कॉल मी टुमारो, विल टेक स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन अगेंस्ट दोज पीपल हु आर इन्वॉल्व्ड। Wait for tomorrow.
Wait for tomorrow. Wait for another day. Wait for tomorrow. Wait for another day. If your party was so responsible, if your party was so responsible, if your heart goes out to that, if your heart goes out for that victim, by now you should already have taken an action.
हम इसका इंतजार नहीं करेंगे कि सरकार
किसका इंतजार? इतना लंबा वक्त गुजर गया, आप किस इंतजार की बात आप कर रहे हैं? कितना वक्त ऑलरेडी गुजर चुका है, किस इंतजार की बात आप कर रहे हैं? लोकेश जिंदल, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई आर इंडिया लीडर्स साइलेंट? व्हाई इज नो धरना हैपनिंग नाउ?
Oh, there should be, because the FIR was delayed. It's a clear case of POSCO. And it is a case of rape.
And a dharna should not happen against Samajwadi Party because this leader is from Samajwadi Party.
Dharna should happen against the inaction by the police.
And not against Samajwadi Party.
That lady had to approach the chief minister, plead to her, beg to her for some form of justice. Only then the police swung into action. Now, why this form of delay? You are expecting every individual to go and beg before the CM. Only then the FIR will be lodged. Is this the form of administration of Uttar Pradesh?
You have all the right to question the administration. You have all the right to point fingers at the police department, at the administration. But what about also pointing a finger and asking some tough questions to your own ally?
It's a very heinous crime.
Yes.
And let us not politicize it. The victim was 12-year-old, had no father, and the victim was gang raped. But then the mother of the victim had to go and plead and beg before the chief minister. Only then the FIR was filed. I want to ask a question. Why didn't the police file the FIR right away? What form of administration is there in Uttar Pradesh? That's such a form of heinous crime.
Absolutely.
Which
Lokesh Jindal, absolutely. Like I said, you have all the rights to ask these tough questions to the administration, to the chief minister, to the cops as well. Why are you also not pointing a finger towards the Samajwadi Party and asking some tough questions to your ally?
You know, politicization is big.
Okay, it becomes politicization because here we are talking about your ally.
If such a form of
it becomes politicized. Everything is very convenient. Everything is very convenient. This is called the politics of convenience. But I will bring in and ask Mr. Mishra to respond because you were asking some pertinent questions. Mr. Mishra, respond.
When there is Hathras case, whole Indi Gadbandhan, Priyanka, Rahul, everybody is rushing for that.
Please,
why they are, where they are? Where
do not do this.
No, they are not coming because this time both the ladkas are together. Both the ladkas are together. That is why the ladki is not coming. That Priyanka Gandhi is not coming. Ladki हूँ लड़ सकती हूँ पर अब नहीं लड़ सकती हूँ. This was their slogan. This was their slogan. लड़की हूँ लड़ सकती हूँ. But right now लड़की cannot fight because it is against the fight against the SP leader.
क्या करना पड़ेगा? Is every FIR in Uttar Pradesh, if you want to file an FIR, does everybody has to go and plead before the chief minister?
So what a leader should do? A leader should do a quick action. That is why two police officers got suspended. That is why action is taking place. That is why bulldozer is going on. That is why bulldozer is going on. Action is fast and furious.
बुलडोजर
So what you
इस बात
want?
का जवाब दीजिए, पुलिस ने FIR क्यों नहीं फाइल किया?
भाई
आप
पुलिस
इस बात
ने
का
FIR
जवाब
नहीं
दीजिए।
फाइल किया, इसीलिए तो 2 लोग सस्पेंड हो गए। ये बात आपको समझ में क्यों नहीं आ रही है?
आप
योगी जी के
आप
पास जैसे ही बात
सस्पेंशन की बात मत की,
पहुंची,
सस्पेंशन
योगी जी के
कब
पास
हुआ
जैसे
है?
बात पहुंची वैसे
जब
उन्होंने एक्शन
फरियादी
लिया।
ने
पर यहाँ
जाकर
पर
चीफ मिनिस्टर के सामने
लोकेश
गुहार
जी,
लगाई
यहाँ
है।
पर तो 2
इसका
लीडर और है
मतलब
ना,
क्या है आपका?
राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी, अखिलेश जी, तीनों ने
सर,
क्या एक्शन
सर,
लिया?
आप
राहुल
अपने
गांधी
गिरेबान में
राहुल
जाकर
गांधी और
देखिए।
प्रियंका क्यों नहीं
The
आ रहे
state of
अयोध्या?
affairs in Uttar
राहुल
Pradesh is
गांधी और
pathetic.
प्रियंका क्यों नहीं आ
The
रहे
police is
अयोध्या?
not doing
और
its
अखिलेश
job.
ने उसके अगेंस्ट एक्शन क्यों नहीं लिया? ये तो एक्शन
आप
योगी जी
सर
ने
don't
ले लिया ना,
hide
क्योंकि
behind
योगी के
petty
पास बात
politics.
पहुंची, सीएम जी के पास बात पहुंची, उन्होंने एक्शन लिया,
The entire
पुलिस को
police,
सस्पेंड
law and
किया।
order
What else you
administration has
expect?
to answer this.
What else
Timely
you
action.
tell me na?
Timely action, Mr. Mishra. Timely action is what one expects. And Rashmi, I think
Yes.
you'll agree to this, that especially people who come from the lower strata of the society have to struggle to get their cases registered, to let their voices be heard. That is something that needs to change, irrespective of the regime.
Absolutely, absolutely, Swati. And I think it is shameful that the police, did not initially file the FIR, and that, it's actually commendable that the chief minister then managed to sack those officials and, also gave the victim's family the time to come and meet him personally and, take down their complaint, because that is something that naturally doesn't happen in any of the states. You don't see the chief minister personally taking stock of any crime or, personally getting involved and, sort of sacking all the people who were responsible for the sort of mistreatment of the case. And I'm glad that this is happening, that it is happening for a victim of the who belongs to a lower strata in society, who doesn't have a father, a fatherless girl. I mean, that in itself is so hard to deal with in today's society. And for her to, finally get justice, I think it does show that the regime in Uttar Pradesh is changing, and it is no longer a regime where supremos of parties will say that boys will be boys. Today we have a chief minister who will say that even the police officers who refuse to take the complaint will be sacked, irrespective of how highly they are placed or how long they've been in that position, and that the chief minister will personally empathize with what the victim has gone through, instead of saying
The Samajwadi Party has even called it a BJP conspiracy now. DNA test should be conducted, says not just Avdesh Prasad, but also the chief of the Samajwadi Party, Akhilesh Yadav. NCPCR says, show some humanity. We're talking about a minor here, while questions also being raised on the silence of other INDI leaders. Rashmi and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us.